Hello. How are we? Are we good? Um It's been a while. I don't know what to say. Um um I really haven't been streaming for I think I looked it up. It was like 6 months ago. Oh, I'll drink the water too. Um Hello DJ Rahim. Hello Vox Decimals. Hello Bella. Hello Pixpock. The fuck did you say, baby? I say it's been like 6 months since I streamed. Last I looked. And that's a very long time. I should probably give like updates or something, like what's been going on. Remember the lots about streams? Yes, I do. They were epic. It was an epic game. Actually, it was pretty chaotic. That's what it was. Okay, I should give some updates, like what's been going on. It was hell. Don't lie to yourself. It was hell, but it was no, it was just hell. Anyways, so what I've been up to is that I'm actually going to release Sticky Paws on Nintendo Switch. So yes, I am not working on Frog Game right now. I'm sorry. We're going to rework Frog Game into like a Souls-like game. By the way, Takespug, do you remember this? We're gonna make Frog Game into a Souls-like. He's gonna be like in this like dark, depressing world, and he's gonna like kill people, or I mean kill frogs. The new direction for Frog Game. That's a joke. But anyway, so I've actually just been working on Sticky Paws even more. Like, it's been like 5 years just working on Sticky Paws still. But it is because I want to release it on Switch. You were so inspired by Elden Ring. I've been playing Elden Ring. Or we did that like really recently. I was like, what if Frog Game is like this? What if it's Souls-like? But yeah, anyway, so yeah, I've been working on Sticky Paws still. I'm sorry, but that's what I've been doing. Let me show you what I've been working on then. Let's see here. Can you guys see here? This is good old sticky paws. But let me show you this. So level editor. We're gonna play it sticky. And then there's new buttons up here. Do you see this? I'm sorry, but I have this like follow me on Twitch thing now. Because I need followers. I need 500 followers. Can you see that? We're at 405 followers, so please follow me. But I'm guessing it's just returning viewers, so. Anyways, you go here to like online level list. And there you have it. There's like a list of freaking quit stream. Quit stream unsub. Actually, I should make that one a little smaller. Hold on. But do you remember in the old streams I used to have, like really old streams, I used to have like a follow me. Because I thought it was so epic. It can be like down here. Like what if it looked like this and I could just be like, no, not that. Please follow me on Twitch. Wouldn't that be epic? Anyways, you can see here. So here are the levels that are being like uploaded to an actual server. I made a stream overlay in GameMaker. Oh, how do you do that then? Do you have like a green screen effect so you can like implement it over the thing? I'm clicking on this link. That's so epic actually. And you have the spinning background. This is Rahim. I guess this is your webcam maybe? The chat. And then you have like all the subs. They're scrolling by, you know. Is that what it is? Let me see, I'm getting a bunch of links. Where it's the same. Oh, I see. So you can like turn off or on. Wait, did I click on that? I'm just clicking on the links. But yeah, I see. That is quite epic, I think. I thought it was interesting how you were using GameMaker to make like your website and stuff too. One more time, I'll see. No, it looks like this. That's what it looks like. One more time. One more time. Oh, there we go. I'll be right back. This looks very pretty, I have to say. I think it looks very pretty. Take cool spamming. You can type in the BRB and starting pages. I see. I am typing. Let me do this. Is this a true statement, if you've ever seen one? Thank you for... No. Thank you for showing me that. Okay, anyway, do you see this now? Okay, so I don't have any. I was thinking once you hover over these, you would see like the thumbnail and name and description and stuff on this side. I don't have that yet. But if I click download here, you see a level ID too, and you see when it was created. But let's download this one. Does it work? It does work. This is a level I uploaded. Like just as a test. And then you can like click play and play like custom levels from a server. Isn't that cool? And here it says, "Hey son." This means like hello in Swedish. I'm destroying it. Like, isn't that really cool to be able to have this? I was thinking like if I'm making the game available on Nintendo Switch, I felt like I should have some sort of like level browser. So people who's making levels, they can like upload them. I can show you how I upload. So we go back here and you see it gets saved here. And right here you can see like the ID of the level. Let me delete this one. My new custom level. Let's just create something stupid here. This is also just test. Oh yeah, I put out like these things. Let's just put like mouse set here. I don't know, a bunch of these guys. You see? Anyways. And then you have like the upload button right here. So, okay, upload. So first you need to do a clear check. So let's do that. So it says right here on the top, clear from the start. So I will do that. The water it's rising. I can still like bop the head and stuff. But I think you can just leave too, like if you do this. If you just go away. So let's just clear the level. Isn't this epic? The custom font. I did not mention it, but this is my own font that I'm creating. It's made to look like Sticky made it, you know. This is his what do you call it? Drawing style? What do you call it? Man säger typ handstil in Swedish. You say like handstil in Swedish. Hand style? Anyway, this is how we would make the font. You forced your child to draw a whole font. Yeah. Handwriting, yeah, that's the name. Okay, so right here you can like edit name, edit description. So let's description be like, I made a cool level. And then I have like tags. So you see it's blinking like tags none. And these are the tags. Basically like how Mario Maker works. I did add a Kaizo tag. So if you're like making a Kaizo level, you know those freaking epic levels in Mario. This is not a Kaizo level though. I would you say this is like short and sweet. I do not have, you know, in Mario Maker, it kind of just calculates a difficulty for you depending on how many people are dying, I think. I do not have a system like that, so you're gonna have to put it yourself. Like, this is a freaking easy level, you know? Or if you're making like a Kaizo level, you would put like super hard. But I guess if you put like easy Kaizo level, like, is that even a thing? Anyways, I go back, and now it says short and sweet. That's the tag. Isn't that cool? And I'll click upload. Upload my new custom level? Yes. And then I get a level ID right here, HQ9. Let's remember this. And we go to online level list, HQ9. This is the recently uploaded, and I can download it. I made a cool level. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I've been showing this off to like family and friends before, and every time I show it, like something goes wrong, like it crashes or there's a bug or glitch. But it like actually works now, and I'm like, it just works. Let's see, I click play. And there we have it. Also, the water rises with the, you know, those blocks I put out. But it just actually works. You can upload levels and you can download them from like a server. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna win. Oh my god, this has been taking like forever to make. Can I just say, like, I'm very proud of this. You can also search. Please enter level ID. Okay, I'm gonna show what the server looks like, kinda. What is that? Feedback hub. What the hell with the? I don't want that. Microsoft is stupid. Okay, hold on. Uploaded levels. No, not that one. I don't know what I can show on the server side, because I just don't know, like, in case I accidentally show something I'm not supposed to. I have no idea. So this is just a visual representation of, like, you can go to this website right now if you would want to, I guess. It just shows, like, it's just for debugging. Like, we can see on the server, this is like what it sees. So there's the uploaded level. So let's just copy this. And I did make it so you can click like Control V. And there you go, there's the level code. And you can search. And there it is. So you can just send an ID to people and they can download it. Oh my god. I can also just click make to instantly like edit. I'm just thinking like the fact this even works. Let me show you. So this is just like levels, right? Like custom levels and stuff. But let's say I'm like here on this select your character. I also have search character ID and manage characters. Hello, Rishara. Sticky Paws development. That was a long time. Yeah. But I decided to stream today. I needed to show like the progress. So yeah, you can search characters. So if I click this, I get to this screen where it says please enter character ID. Or I can just click on online character list and I get the same list of like, these are all the characters you can download. If I just click the first one, let me see which one that is. I do see, this is wrong actually. It's taking the level name. And the level description. So I need to fix that. So it says like what character this is. But anyway, you get that character. Is that the same character? Or does it not work? Hold on. I know this one is Phoenix because... Okay, that one works. But yeah, the description name is wrong, I guess. But yeah, I can use download characters. And again, on this website here, you can see like... You know, it's taking it from this, you know. But wait, did I actually upload 2 of the same here though? Yeah, I guess I did. Except it goes to this character. Let's download this one. This is sticky. If I download this test data, I think it's gonna like not work. Okay. But yeah, it's still in development, so. But the fact that it just works is like astonishing. Let me see why, if I, goddamn, I don't know if I want to code during streams anymore because it's just too confusing. But basically there is a script that is like, this is the menu for when you've downloaded something, and it should display like the character name and stuff. Let me see. I was thinking about doing something else. That's like, you know when I was like just drawing pictures. Hold on. Is it this one? I forgot. I think it is because it's supposed to display here. But I'm not gonna get into that right now. I don't want to. What are you doing later? I wanted to instead do this. Hold on. Because I need to finish the font. Oh, hold on. I was thinking, like, you know, when I did streams and I showed me coding, I think I just don't want to do that anymore. Coding is too stressful. But drawing, I can do that. So this is how the font works. So what I'm doing is just typing in all the characters and then drawing like over them basically, but in my own style. And then you like import it to this thing and you get the characters. That's how it works. What I need now though, let me see. When I did that, I wanted to end myself. Programming is all I do. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stop programming on streams. Like, it was just shit. Like, I don't want to sit through this and like think about that I'm streaming at the same time. Like, I'm trying to find like a variable or something. Like, I'll do that off stream instead. I don't want to do it anymore on stream. I'll do something I know I can do. So I'm gonna do this. This is just like the characters I needed. Doro made like a really good script to just take every character used in Sticky Paws. So I'm just gonna make these characters. I need to finish this, basically. Why is Doro God? I don't know. He just did it. Hey John, have you ever thought of trying out object-based collision instead of tile-based for level layouts? Isn't that what I'm doing actually? Because it is like, let me just see here. Because I do have this object wall. And it's just a wall getting the tile. Actually, this would be a good thing to discuss. Like, I've seen people do collision based on objects or based on like tiles. But like, what is the best way to do it, basically? Pizza Tower does that, I think. Which one, like object or tile based? I want to do tiles for static objects. Yeah, like a wall doesn't ever move, right? Okay, I'm just gonna do this while we talk. Basically, what I'm gonna do is just... I click here and it needs like a character, and I'm just copying over a character from the font thing. So I guess this is a character they use. That's all I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna draw over them. Isn't tile-based collision more performance friendly? Because with tiles it's all one thing, with wall objects are a bunch of objects which can slow the game down. Doing it with... yeah, this is how I understood it. Doing it with objects can make the game slower. Is what I've heard. I've always done it with objects. But if I were to make, like, I could redo it, you know. Oh, one thing I've redone in code. Shit, I still want to talk about code, but Anyways, I'll show it. It might look confusing at first glance, but I promise you it's better than I did before. So if anyone's seen my code before, you know every like, how do I say, input was a global variable, like its own global variable. So I had like, it would look like this global dot player1 key dive or something. I redid it, so now it's like an array. So the first one is like if it's a keyboard press or a gamepad press. The second like array thing is like the player, so this is player 1. The third is like the, if it's key 1 or 2. You remember in Sticky Paws you can set like either or, so it's like I can press Z or I can press space to jump, for example. So you see here it says 1, but here it says 2. And then the last one is like action. So this is like when I'm doing the jump or dive, it should use this key. And I redid, so, you know, in other instances, let me see here. Actually, I'll do this. And let's see here. Not that one. I wanted to show something I thought would be cool. I guess like this, instead, before I had to like make multiple stacks of like code, because everything was its own global variable, but now it's all under one global variable. And I can just easily change the, like with a variable like this inside of the thing. Do you get what I'm trying to get at? But there is still like a lot of inputs, you know. So it still looks like it's like overwhelming. But I promise you that it's much better than it was before. Before it was just super confusing. Yeah. Actually, let me just go to the thing itself. I was trying to find remap. Yeah, so right here, before I had to do like, okay, I'm remapping for player 1 or remapping for player 2 or remapping for player 3, and am I remapping for key 1 or key 2? But instead now it's just a variable like this. It's easier. You get it? Push-ups. Nay, I don't want to do push-ups. Sorry, I was just talking while I wasn't looking at the chat. Hold on. Your collision code sucks, lol. I know. I am trying to fix code at least. Slowly but surely, you know. But yeah, this is all I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna Whoops, did I need to copy. Putting down the characters, and then on this side I'm gonna do like onion skinning and just draw. You see how I've done here? The font is basically the same thing, it's just that it's hand drawn, you know, to make it more sticky paws. Like, that's the idea at least. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll make the biggest pull request for sticky paws. Bro. I mean, sure, you could do that. What is that character even? Here he just looks like a block, so that's what I'm gonna draw. And this just looks like a bigger less than sign. I have no idea what these say. I've seen on like, this is how you have to draw the characters in Japanese. Like, you're supposed to do it in a specific way. I still don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna just draw them as best as I can. It's supposed to be the two dotted lines. Yeah, so it's not supposed to be just a block like that. I just wonder why is the font too small still? Let me just make it bigger and just test. Like, if I made it that big, it should be big enough. It still just makes a block. I wonder why. But if you were to see this, would you think it looks wrong? If you were Japanese, I guess. Like, would you see that and be like, oh. Like, it's supposed to look like this, then. If I were to just copy this. Oh. Hold on, I have the grid on, so. Like that. Like, that's what it's supposed to be like then. I'm gonna have to see, this next character is also gonna have like 2 dots. So let me see what it does for this one. Like, it has 2 dots here. And he just makes 1 big blob. That is really weird, actually. I need to copy these again to correct them. There's a yellow dot there, but I don't care. I'm gonna have to keep that in mind. There is no instance where it's just a block like that then. Because in that case, I can use... try to remember that. Because there seems to be a lot of these, and I don't know if they're all gonna be weird and become like a box. The ones with the circles. Okay, I'm gonna get there. Or I could try them right now, actually, just to see. Let me try. Okay, it does make a circle. Do you see it also a unique circle for each of them? You see how unique they are? Crazy. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do all stream. It's just gonna paste these in. I don't want the first stream to be anything crazy, honestly. This one makes correct thing. Actually, what the hell is happening here? Why did it save that? I think Game Maker is like about to crash or something. Why did it save that? Okay, I guess I'm gonna press this button before I do the next character. What determines the order of the character? I have no idea. I honestly just copied whatever door was spatting out. And I think I looked at like the font editors and stuff, and they kind of did have a similar order, but not on everything. So I'm honestly not sure. But look here too. It says A O shouldn't it be O A O, and then is over here. So I honestly don't know what the order is for, but I feel like it. Whenever it's actually making the font, it just puts it in the right order anyway. So this is like only me, only I'm going to see this, you know, while I'm making the game. Oh my god. Here's the freaking box. I'm gonna change them later, so they're correct. UMS always fucking freezes and crashes and burns. Oh, this is just me editing with Studio One because I don't know why. I used to like it. Honestly, it reminds me of old Paint, but a little better. I just like the layout because Studio 2 has a like sprite editor, right? But I never liked using it, honest to god. It just didn't feel right. I know that it's like better, but it doesn't feel the same. Let me see. The pattern looks like it's without the lines and then with the lines, but you're and don't have the line version next to them, and it's a very strange way to order them. I have to also say, probably they never appeared in the at all in the game, because I did tell Door like I would want like just what appears in the game. Like if you could just copy the translation script and just paste it in. The order of like this thing doesn't matter, because whenever you click save TTF, oh god, I'm gonna pull it up, hold on. I'm just gonna show. I hate this program. I try to use it, but Not this one. This one is great, now that I understand it. But this other one that I'm pulling up, that take ages. So let me go here. And then go to... Let's just go to normal font so you can just see. This is the font editor. And no, it does not follow the same order I see now. Well, no, it doesn't. Because right here it says hashtag $star. But here it's like hashtag dollar. And then the freaking %. But if I were to open the game font, hashtag $%. It's the same, so it will reorder it to be exactly like this, like what it wants. It's just missing a bunch of characters. You see it here. Like these are a ton of characters, but they never show up in Sticky Paws. Right now, at least. Because every time I'm adding words or adding languages, it would basically mean to like I have to add that font too. There's a bunch of characters. Look how huge this list is. There was one character, or what the hell was that? Look at this too. These are like emojis. So if someone types an emoji, they could do that. How does it... But yeah, anyway, so right on this program, it doesn't matter what order, it will like export it to be like this. You see like how as over here, like they're all separate here. Anyways, I hate this program. I just use it to look at the font. But it will reorder it once you save. Yeah, if you're gonna translate more and more characters are missing, I'm just gonna have to add them, I guess. But you could do like I do have the font saved. Like I have the characters here. So hopefully if there's like a program that can just detect like characters that haven't been used or whatever. Or characters, like you can like compare two scripts, because we could just put it through the same script that Dora made. Where am I here? Hold on. So I made that one, so I'm gonna copy this one, okay. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. There's a very good reason game companies pretty much always outsource font creation to a company that specializes in making fonts. And don't make the fonts themselves. Yeah. I never thought about making a font for the longest time. But it was like requested that like, because the font looks like, you know, the most standard font ever. I was used to using Arial, I think. And I saw like, what was it, like, I was playing the Pizza Tower game, and I saw like they had their own font, and it looked epic. but yeah, it is a lot of work. I tried to like combine this font with the normal font thing, the Arial font, but trying to do that in that program was just ass. Like it was not fun to do. So honestly, the easiest thing is just to draw the missing characters rather than using that program. Oh god, it's doing that thing again. One more time. What is this song? I've heard it before. Oh, I feel like I've heard it in some stupid mobile ad or something. Hold on, I'm gonna make this screen smaller so I can see the chat better. The latest font you had was Mario, since it had everything. Oh, okay. I guess that's not Arial then. And yeah, I like having everything. Holy shit, I lost the font. This one should be. Yeah. I'm learning a little bit about Japanese characters. I'm seeing the shape and everything, and they're very pretty. Oh god, why is it doing that? Why is it saving the thing? That is crazy. Like, it's supposed to disappear when I click off. I have a feeling it's gonna crash and I'm gonna lose everything. But Studio One, if I want to like save the project, I can't just click Control S here because that will save just this thing that I'm currently editing. I just want to save the project so it's like, you know, actually saved to the project I'm working on. This looks number 5. Just pasting them in. But yeah, I don't know if I had any. I don't feel like I have anything more to say right now. When I was showing the like level sharing thing, were you guys impressed? Was it impressive? Are you going to visit Phoenix this year? I would. This is just what I feel. I would hope so. Even though I don't really have the money for it. I know I'm supposed to save money, but if I had the chance, I would. Because I really want to. Maybe if we release this on Switch, we will get a lot of money. Okay, actually, let's talk about the releasing this freaking game again. I've never said anything on the actual like Discord or anything about when I want this to release on Switch. But to myself, I've thought like maybe this month, but it's already the end of this month and I'm still having problems with the game crashing on on Switch. Like, it just straight up crashes. Actually, okay, let me show that. Not the actual crashing, but let me show the thing I have a question about. So I can also save this. Look, it looks crazy. If I open this in debug mode, let's see. I'm getting unlimited ads. I see you're struggling financially. I just got 2 unskippable ads. I'm really not getting that money from Twitch, I promise. It's just because I'm what the hell is it called? What the hell does Twitch call me again? Partner. And okay, this is what I don't get about Twitch. Let me just talk about it. Whenever, so before I became like a Twitch partner, but I didn't get any ads, right? And on YouTube, you can put if you want ads or not. And I just felt like I did not want ads, but I did not realize that whenever you become a Twitch partner, they lock so you get ads. Like, you can't opt out of ads for some stupid reason. I'm just thinking, like, I'm kind of wondering, why did I become like a partner then? Because I was thinking partner meant like I could get like more visibility on Twitch or something like that, but no, it does not mean that. I'm stupid. And they use lock it. You can. It's not like an option like how YouTube does it. On YouTube, you can use disable ads for your whole channel. But on Twitch, you can't do shit about it. And ads are like terrible. Because, I mean, once an ad plays, people like leave. It's just stupid. Okay, let me show this now. So here's the game playing. I'm gonna make it smaller so you can see this thing. Can I click here to show the thing, or I have to show here? I think it's the graph. So here's the graph. Green is like memory, so there's a green bar. Yellow is average memory, I guess. Blue is the FPS, and red is the average FPS. So let's just have it down here and the game up here. And this is what I'm wondering about the game, because I've actually never really looked at the graph thing. But that's when I realized like a huge problem that I don't know if it's intended to be like this, but I feel like it's not. But let's just like, okay, so here we go. So it loaded in the character. So you see the memory went up, right? And then I click play. Memory is still up. Here it also shows like when the room switched, which is cool. Let's go into level 1. Huge uptick here in memory. So, okay, so I'm guessing memory is like, you know, I'm loading in the sprites from the level, right? This is like the level 1 assets. So the background is huge. You see what the average was on before? Now it has to tick up. So let's get out of the level. This is what I'm wondering about, because I do have like sprite delete functions, and I was thinking sprite delete is like needed to keep the memory. What does it say? Checkpoint touch player. Can I click to open? Okay, I guess checkpoint touched the player. Did I have a debug message for that? Okay, I'm gonna win the level. So what I'm expecting, what is gonna happen is that this would go down again because I'm doing sprite delete. But does the memory always go up? Look, it's staying at the same. And then I go to the next level. Now the memory goes up again. That's a huge problem in the game, and I never realized it until now. Because I was thinking that sprite delete took care of that, but I guess it doesn't. I have sprite delete like everywhere. I'm very confused about how that works. It just goes up and up and up, and eventually it's gonna hit a ceiling where you get like a memory leak. On PC, I can play for hours and I never get the memory leak thing. But on Switch, it just crashes like immediately after I play a couple levels, it feels like. So yeah, I guess that's what I'm wondering about. Like, the green thing, is it supposed to always go up, or is it supposed to go down? Okay, let me look at the... I was just talking for a lot. Visibility on Twitch doesn't exist. Yeah. Twitch is worse than YouTube in every way, and it will become worse unless you're a streamer. You can look at my YouTube channel if you want to. Not the... I have like the YouTube... Let me just see. Johnny Little Stream Archive. Show my disc. I don't know if anyone wants to see that. I think that is like the only problem I have. Hold on, I'm just getting my... This is the... I'm live here right now on this link. So, and there should be no ads at all. So if you want to look there, you can. Did you see my cool upload on that channel? Okay, I saw something. Let me show. I saw... Well, I did see this, and I'm very thankful for this. What the hell is this? Like, who uploaded that? Oh, right here it says 1 year ago. Has it been 6 months or a year since I streamed? I have no idea anymore. Or I guess they got like... Did they like get like taken down like... altogether? Yeah, I guess they did. But yeah, I wonder what this is about. I just kept it up because... Check the live section. Hold on. Oh. Oh, here it says 6 months. Okay. Look how epic I look. What is this? I'm making a ball. Anyways, I'm live right here. Oh, hold on. Pixbug is saying something. One thing I got by googling Game Maker memory problem was that you gotta make sure to delete surfaces between rooms because that can take a lot of memory. Can you send me that link? I don't know if I do that. Like there's a surface delete thing? No, I don't think I do that at all. Hold on. Nothing else? Okay. I'm looking at it. Oh, I thought there was gonna be like a... Okay, let me just see here. Let me show this because this is... Maybe this is stupid, but I was trying my best to like... Can I put this up here? That is so cool. Look at this. I was trying on my own to fix things because I was thinking like maybe it's not just sprite delete. Maybe I need to like set the sprite to none again. But I don't know if that's the case, honestly. So this might be like useless. Let me show you how I'm using it. So right here before custom background, before it loads a new one, it should delete it, like delete itself again. But if I do like surface, is there like delete or destroy? This is probably something to watch. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna pause the music. Garbage collection.
Involving structs in Game Maker, you might have a question, and it's a very legitimate question. What exactly happens when you remove a reference to a struct and you can no longer access its data? And that will progress on to a discussion of the Game Maker garbage collector. So if I have, for example, let me say list is going to equal ds list.
Have you seen Dragonite spam? I've never seen this one.
Repeats 100,000 million, I think that's million. Repeat 1 million times ds list at...
No, hold on. I'm certain I've used surfaces for something. Sprite create from surface. Application surface. Is this a thing? But this is using for like pausing the game. You know when you pause the game and it takes a screenshot and shows that screenshot basically? I'm having... Okay. One weird thing I've noticed too is like things that used to work, they just stop working. Whenever I pause the game now, there's a very noticeable like resizing thing it's doing, and it didn't do that before. I'm wondering how do I fix that? But it's just a visual bug for now, so I don't know. Hold on. he actually goes to do the trash.
Add onto the list, and let's just give it a struct containing some data. It doesn't matter what the data is. All right.
I just want to see what is like
We're
the.
gonna add 1 million copies of this same struct to this DS list. And you might wonder if you were.
Hold on, I can't hear myself when I'm talking. I'm just wondering, like, what is the best way to do something like? Because it seems like I need to update the pausing thing.
What would happen to these structs?
I just remember watching like some tutorial how to do it. But I don't know, Game Maker updates and sometimes they just change things. Sean did the thingy. Oh, he did one. Okay.
Pausing your game can be hard work. If you're not careful and diligent with your solution, it can be the cause of a wide number of hard-to-predict bugs and exploits when the player pauses at an unexpected time or in a specific or unusual way. Working within an engine like Game Maker, we're limited in our approaches, but here's...
He doesn't take a screenshot, right? He just pauses like every object.
To a fairly universal solution. For the...
Let me just look at it again. Like...
number of hard-to-predict bugs and exploits.
Whenever he landed on the ground, there was still like particles. You saw? Right there. Hold on, go back. Yeah, you see the particles animating over here?
Time, or in a specific or unusual way. Working within an engine like Game Maker, we're limited in our approaches. But here's
he's...
as close as you can generally get in game development to a fairly...
Stop the genre propaganda.
Advanced among you, everything you
well, I was used to...
now, and I'll link some sort of source code package below if you just want to get straight to it. For everyone else, we just need to make
I was just like, oh, wait, you can see the particles. But yeah, he's gonna show why that sucks.
And then you can just create one right at the start.
Look at that, he has a clean up.
Event, we want the variables pause, pause surf, and
maybe I need to clean up.
We also need the resolution of the game in a width and height variable like this. This might come from a global variable.
Yeah, pausing every object, it's a nightmare.
Runtime, you'll need to update
I realized that I was adding pausing and I was like, this is shit.
Allow the user to change resolution while paused. Just keep that in mind. Then we'll add the post draw event. I chose this event which comes after all our other usual draw events and just before the application surface itself is drawn, and before the draw GUI events. The idea is we'll capture an image of our game screen to a surface and then disable all of our game objects. We can then draw this frozen image to the screen. First of all, we disable alpha blending. This is mostly a quirk of using surfaces and the way alpha transparency works. We just want to simply copy and draw fully opaque RGB values. Unexpected issues might occur with transparent game entities and so on if you leave this enabled, so turn it off. Ignore this next bit for now. This is where we'll draw our frozen image.
Bro, hello.
We do it in this order, but for context, let's move to this next section. Here is where we toggle the pause on or off.
And flying paraffin.
Perhaps this is a pause now variable that you trigger from a game object.
Hello.
Controllers or whatever you want. But either way, this
I'm streaming again.
For this example, it's just
and I'm learning about
so
code.
Once that condition goes off, we check if we're paused or not, and we make pause true if it was false.
Anyways, hold on, let me see what DJ Kirby is saying. I mean DJ Rahim, I'm sorry. I tried just copying all draw data of every object to an array and used for loop drawing all of it. It worked pretty good for stuff that didn't use shaders, but it's hard to manage. Okay. But yeah, for some reason on the pause screen, like, because look at this, X is 0, Y is 0, and then it says like width and height. Surface get width and surface get height. But something is still wrong whenever I pause, and I don't know why. But I don't want to get into this too much right now. The more important thing is like why the game crashes, like, or why the memory doesn't go down. It's supposed to go down on this thing, right? It's supposed to like sync and go up. It's not supposed to just go up, up, up all the time. Use a render manager and a render strut. I guess so. Anyways. I'll look at the tutorial and redo all of the Paws stuff, I guess. But I don't want to sit with the code right now. I don't feel like doing the code like on stream anymore. What were we doing before? Oh yeah, the font. Hold on, let me get the music again. Where are you having a memory leak? Okay, I'll guess I show it again. Just so people can see again. I didn't realize there were gonna be people joining. Okay, I'm gonna show. Catastro. I don't think I've seen you before. So I don't know if you've seen what this game is and how it works. So I might have to explain some things. Let's just go to the main game and I can explain. So all the levels are in this folder. I'm gonna show. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. So in included files, this is how I've been doing it. So there's levels. And then I have, like, let's say level 1. This is made in the level editor, like for the game. So this is not in any room or anything. I can show you the rooms. Hold on. Room. Like all the rooms in the game, it's just level editor. I have a pause room, splash screen, title, and the only thing I've done like within the game is the world map. I guess that's why it's loading. This is the only thing I've actually like made within the like room editor. Otherwise I've been using a level editor like within the game. What the fuck, there's so much shit you added to Sticky Paws. Oh, Paraffin, I have to show you. Okay, I'm just gonna show this and then I'm gonna show. I'm getting so distracted. Whenever you enter this level, it loads all the graphics and level data from included files, right? So this is level 1. Let me make it smaller again so we can see the graph. Let me go back. So this is a huge jump. So this is like the game loading in the assets. You see here is like the room change, right? And whenever you leave the room, it's supposed to remove all the loaded sprites. Like I'm using like sprite delete, but I'm guessing that's not the only thing I need to do. Right here, it's just gonna stay at, like, it didn't delete anything. If I go to level 2, it's gonna spike up. Look. So it just gets higher and higher and higher. When I'm doing on on PC, I've been able to play for hours and never seen a memory like leak. Like it never crashed. But whenever I'm playing on like a Nintendo Switch, it crashes. So that's the problem I'm having. Okay, let me see the people saying. We could game maker each other live on stream. God, do I want to do this right now? Honestly, no. This is what I want. Honestly, I don't want to do it on stream, like coding. I don't feel like it. I just want to explain the problem, and I can be more active on Discord and actually like ask for help more, because I feel like I've only asked for help like not as usual as I have done before. I just hate coding on stream. It's garbage. Anyway, let me show Paraffin. You need to see this. Let me go to level editor. Right here it says online level list. And this is taken from a server. Like, I'm uploading the levels to a server like that I own. And I can use download levels. My new custom level, I made a cool level and I can just play it. It's actually like it only connects to like my server, because it's actually really complicated to make the servers work and stuff. But I've been wondering, like, if my server were ever to shut down, like, could I just make it so people can like make their own server if they wanted to? It's all under one server because I'm gonna release this on Nintendo Switch. So it's gonna be all on one server, so both PC and Nintendo Switch can like access the files. Same thing with the character, so I can click the search character and then click online character list, and I can like download a character that is uploaded to the server. So here's like Doru. Or not Doru, I mean Joel. I was thinking Doru because Doru made this one. But yeah, you get the idea. Okay, let me read so we could just talk about it. I don't want to code because I've been doing that all day already. Oh, okay, I get it now. So you're gonna DDoS my You got like 7 billion Switch users. Oh, Kitsas. Oh, hold on. Kitastro, thank you for following. Do you see this thing here? I need 500 followers, and now I'm like 1 follower closer. Thank you so much. That's awesome. Oh yeah, I'm paying for this server, by the way. This is like a real server. Hold on, let me pull up the thing again. This is just a visual representation of the server. So here you can see like available levels and characters and stuff. So eventually when I release this update, I'm gonna be able to see people adding shit. People are gonna add the stupidest shit. I guarantee it. But yeah, that's what I'm been doing. Yeah, it's using Google Cloud Console, I think it's called. Yeah, it's like you pay for like, you know, if it's being used more and more, you have to pay more. But right now it's only me using it, so I only have to pay like, what was it? Something like $0.2 or something like that. I think you get like a new price every month or so. So it's like, okay, this month you pay this much, this month you pay another amount. Oh, hold on. $0.2. 2 cents. I don't know how to. I don't know how to fucking talk. I'm sorry. 0 point. That's just how it shows up on the thing. It shows the dollar sign and the 0.2. Even before Google shuts down the entire server because Peanut's level. Goddamn. I don't know what people are gonna upload. I have no idea. It's a lot more accessible than just uploading to like Game Banana. Let me just I'm gonna play a Sticky Paw. Let me just show how uploading works. So I can just click this upload here. And you can edit name, description, you can edit tags too, so I have tags like this. Works exactly like Mario Maker, you know? The only thing I added was the Kaiso tag. And here it says like Kaiso, short and sweet. But yeah, let's say it's a Kaiso level, even though it's not. And then I can like click upload. I'm getting like calls. What is happening? Who was that? I just heard it doing like as if it was calling me, but I don't see any calls. Or is that like on... I don't know what happened. $0.2 per sprite. I just have to pay every time someone uploads now. Anyways, here's the level ID. So you see DWF. And if I go to online level list, it shows up DWF. New level uploaded. And yeah, you can use search level ID too. So if I were to copy this one and I can paste it, it will download the level. So isn't that cool? I think that's all I wanted to show right now. But yeah, this like memory leak thing, I need help with that. But I honestly don't want to like do it on stream anymore. I was trying to do programming on stream before, but it's just hell. I don't want to do it anymore. It's too shit. Let me see what people are saying. But people can have servers where you upload fully user-created content on Switch, but maybe you need to do something special. Oh, you're meaning like, the biggest worry for me is if Nintendo will allow it, especially since backgrounds can be any image. I'm doing it, but I have no idea what they're gonna say, you know? Colors Live and Smile Basic. I've used Smile Basic on Switch. And yeah, you can use Draw Anything. The thing I'm thinking is like... Okay, let me do the thing I was gonna do. I'm making my own font for the game. So I'm gonna do that while talking. This is the font I'm making, like this. And I need to add the Japanese characters, so that's what I'm doing right now. Like before I showed the memory leak thing. call me later, honey. I can do that, honestly, because I really do need help with the how to freaking optimize this game. Like I feel like it's just something I'm missing. Like I just don't know what function you're supposed to use once you leave the level. That's what it feels like, at least. Oh, Brian Visual. You had me a cute action platformer. Oh, this is the first time I'm getting like viewers. Okay, I'm gonna have to show the game again. Hello, first time chatter. This is a little platformer game called Sticky Paws. It is building right now, so hold on. Found you randomly in the software category. I see. Okay, let me show the game. This is Sticky Paws. And this is Sticky. He is a cat. And this is Catlin. She is also a cat. And they are very cute. And it's like a little platformer game. What happened? Okay, there we go. Anyways, let's just play level 1 so I can just show what it is. So you're like this little cat. And you can ground pound on the little things to get fish. And Sticky, he is very special cat. He can climb on anything. See, he can climb. Like, he doesn't get tired or anything. He can just climb if he wants to. Because he is like the most epic character ever. And there are mice that you jump on. Very cool. And you can swing on the ropes. Very cool. You can walk in clouds. Sticky can do that. Oh yeah, and you can break the boxes. Like the cat boxes. Isn't that amazing? I'm working on like an update right now. The new thing I'm working on is like you can have like custom levels. So let me see here. So there's like an online level list and you can like download new levels and stuff. That's what I'm working on. I haven't released this yet, but I'm gonna release it sometime soon. So yeah, you can like download new levels and stuff. Isn't that awesome? But right now I'm just making like a font. Oh, okay, but that's fine. You can like oh, what does the balloon do? It's like an extra hit you get. You usually start off like without the balloon, but you can find the balloon. And it gives you an extra hit. That's why it's like in hearts. But yeah, I'm just glad I could show the game to you, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna continue making the font. This is like the time-consuming thing I'm working on today. Hold on, is that font supposed to look like that? It has this little foot. Actually, it is supposed to be like that. Okay. I think. So right now I'm just pasting in the characters. And then on the other, like right here, I'm like tracing over it basically. But it's supposed to look like hand-drawn. So that's what I'm doing. Oh god, there's a lot of characters. I have to draw all of these. Man. But yeah, we were also just talking about how to optimize the code. Because on Nintendo Switch it's like crashing. But yeah, I honestly don't know, like I have seen this flush function. But I think I tried it out on my own and I just didn't understand like how it worked because it seemed like it didn't do anything for me. Give him $50 to do windings. Actually, wait, this is the same character? No, it's not actually. This is not the same character. Do you see this one looks more like a T and this is a J? Now you know. God, I don't want to open the game again, but I did add in the options, you can like change the font. So you could just include any font, I guess. If I really wanted to. The one before is Goo and the other one is G. Goo or Googie. Googie. Isn't that like Guigos? Do you remember Guigos from Earthbound? He's named Guigos. Does anyone know what I'm saying? It's pronounced Guenge. Guegos. Did anyone love the boss from Earthbound called Guegos? Obviously not an English E pronunciation, closer to Swedish. Eh? Actually, the Swedish and Japanese sound alike. Eh? Like that? Guys, do you remember Caramel Dancing? And people thought it was like Japanese because they had like the anime characters. I thought that was epic. Not quite, but better than going full American. Trying to speak Japanese. I've been to America so much now. I get like this American accent. No, I don't know if my accent is that good. It was definitely much more Swedish before. Like I just sounded Swedish. Like a lot. It sounds better now than it did before, I think. But I also got like a Southern American accent. So yeah. Redeemed hydrate. Oh, I need to hydrate. Hello, Phoenix. I stream. Damn, y'all, first I'm gonna drink. Ah. Oh my god, thank you for the water. It's good to drink actually because you need to stay hydrated. Phoenix is actually the one that told me I should stream. I haven't been streaming I actually looked it up, it was like 6 months ago since I streamed. I didn't realize it was that long ago, but I guess it makes sense. I really haven't been feeling like streaming since forever. But I decided like I'm gonna do it now. Is that character? That character is wrong. It's supposed to be the two dots again. I'm gonna have to fix that later. It's good to drink, proud alcoholic. You should stream more, it doesn't need to be stressful. I'll stream when I don't know how to think about it, because the thing is, I know I need to stream if I'm gonna like actually, you know the reason I stream is just to market Sticky Paws. You know, like, oh, look at this, I'm making a freaking cat game, please buy it. But so I did feel like I need to do something again, because this is how I do it. I've tried doing like marketing on like Twitter and stuff. I just don't like it. Especially because no one is freaking looking at them, I feel like. And honestly, I don't look at Twitter either. I do not really use it anymore. Hold on. Kill Luigi to make the game successful. Bruh. I need to market Stick about Luigi murders Mario in an RPG. This is the plan, actually. I guess. Actually, whenever I streamed, it usually went fucking how do you say? Crazy. It just became crazy. But yeah, I felt like I need to do something again. But okay, here's one thing I was thinking about, at least when it comes to like actually marketing Sticky Paws. Because I've been putting a lot of focus on the like custom levels and stuff, and one idea I had was just to have it be like one thing was I wanted to have like level creation competitions, so you were to make a level and then I like I wanted to have like like an actual prize too, like prize money. I've just been trying to figure out what to do, because people, there's gonna be like children, right? And they don't have PayPal. Like, I can't send money to them. So another thing I've thought about was kids love like Discord Nitro. And I can just send like a Discord Nitro gift. And they would be like, oh, this is so cool. I can use the Sticky Paws like emotes on every server. That's my idea. This is the plan. Did you read the last part of the plan? iFuck contests were usually 18 and over. Honestly, are there any laws around having contests? I know there are laws around giveaways. And whenever I look up like marketing stuff, I've always seen like, here's a good marketing trick. You can just do like a giveaway because people like that. But I've always been like kind of iffy with that. Like, do I really want to hold a freaking giveaway? Okay, there's a lot more characters. And this is like, I need to add more characters to this. Hold on. And there's laws around like giveaways. Like you know, you're not supposed to freaking scam people, for example. But are there any laws around like specific laws around how you hold a competition? Do you know what I'm trying to say? Okay, let me just see here. We need to make this longer. Look at this. This is wrong. This is wrong. There's a pixel. There's a pixel right there. Come on, do I need to do this? Hold on. I'm gonna read the shout. I just need to look at this again. Fuck. Well, anyway. Johnny, I don't like where this is going. How this indie game custom. Turn up. What the fuck? Okay. Of course there are. What can you show me? Like I mean fucking how do I describe this? You can't have a. I know you can't have a contest where you kill each other. You can't have a contest where the objective is to kill each other or anything like that. But I mean, like, it doesn't say in some laws like specifically around a certain subject, like giveaways, and they call it the giveaways laws or something. I can't breathe. Because killing is obviously very illegal. Like, it's obvious. I can't do this. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm trying to. Sorry. Oh my god, I can't fucking concentrate on this. I'm trying to copy the fucking pixels. Fucking there. But do they have like a specific like here are like what you can and can't do when it in like a competition setting. The year is 2024. Sticky Bugs DX has been released on every current gen platform. Level contest. It's underway. With billions at the stadium, Nate Fernandez comes out on stage and fully in character announces the Giant Games. Where only the strongest will survive. The doors are already locked. Oxygen is slowly being drained out of the room. In the distance, screaming. Have you seen? I actually saw the Arnold Schwarzenegger film. What the hell was it called? Where he's like in one of these deadly competitions, and they're like killing each other. What is that movie called? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? I want to do that, but in real life. Oh my god. Oh shit, dude. What the... I can't fucking concentrate. Oh. Okay. Okay, this is enough, I think. Holy shit. Yes, why the hell are you even asking? Can you show me the... show me... Where do I find that, like, in the law book? I need to study it so I don't break any laws. In English, there's a term for the language the laws have and how hard they are for average people to understand called legalese. Is the term used in Svenska? I don't actually know. That's not saying legalize, it's saying like legalese. What does I don't think I've ever seen that. You just fucking Google it yourself. I'm sure all the laws are readily available. Okay, shut up then. I'm sorry if I asked. I just wanted to know if you could kill each other in the competition. Competition laws. Oh no, this is called, this is like, no, this is like, what is it called? Like marketing competition? Like companies competing? Laws for, what the hell do I search though? Fucking my head is, I'm sorry, I can't fucking think. Fucking competition stadium. Competition. Holding a competition. Oh, it's under the same. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry for the ads. Okay, I found it. So it is under the same thing, and it does say giveaway too. Okay, we're gonna read about the laws today. Oh my god, is this like Twitch doing this or Amazon? Have they increased how many ads there are? Oh my god. Yeah, if you get actually Pixpot, what ad block are you using? Because I know there are some ad blocks that don't work on Twitch for some reason. Okay, I used to have the one called Adblock. So I guess that one should work. Okay, hold on, I'm reading now. Contests and giveaways are sure. Imagine having killing in the contest though. To grow your brand, business, and audience efficiency. Yeah. So these are giveaways. I don't want to do giveaways. It seems too complicated. I mean, okay, it's not supposed to be, but like... I don't know, I just don't like giveaways at all. I think it's just that I think giveaways have like a bad word to it. But contests, I think contests are good. Except when it looks like this. This is like an... I want it to be like fun, a fun competition, you know? Like you have to do something, not just what are you gonna do here? Design a Wilson custom glove. John Little shaved. Thank you. Broken HD TV. Okay, they do say like design something and then tag us. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this like, hello, if you want to enter the competition, you have to tag us and make a level. Okay, hold on. I need to actually read now. Photo or video as an entry method. Yeah, this is what they mean, like, usually. I'm gonna do it... I'm gonna do it, like... send the level code in this form or something to enter. Oh, wait, what? Do I have to make this? Unlike giveaways, some contests. Okay, is he saying some? Oh my god, they're just giving like example. I'm thinking like I have to do this. Lottery, I don't want to do. I'm gonna create some kind of scam without me knowing it. No purchase necessary laws. When setting up your next time, you must ensure that you're not in violation of no purchase necessary laws. Brands from requesting a purchase or payment from users to enter the contest. Is this applying to me at all? Because if Sticky Paws costs money, like on Steam, and someone is like, do I have to make Sticky Paws like free to play if I'm gonna do this? Okay, hold on, let me read what people are saying. Contests are pretty much just giveaways. Winner is usually determined by skill or merit. If winner is by luck, then it's a raffle. Okay, the simplest thing I just want is like you send in like a level. You make a level and stick boss. You send like level code, and then we play them, and the best one is like gets money or something. Or at Nitro gift, a Discord Nitro gift, because there's probably gonna be children, because it's a children's game, and they don't have PayPal. What the hell? It says it's from the Netherlands. Oh, what the hell do they want me? I'm not gonna answer that. Why do I get calls from the Netherlands? I don't want. Moe. Yeah, I don't know if this is like giveaway territory. This is not like. This is not how I was thinking of like competition. Giveaway rules, yeah. Wait. Or contest rules. Ready to win? We'll notify you by email if you win. No one gets an email. How to create win-win legal contracts with influencers. And they say like you need to do this if you want to like grow your brand and do marketing. But I don't want to do like a fucking giveaway. I thought a contest would sound fun, but like I don't want it to feel like a giveaway. What child would willingly sit through a John Hill stream? No, I guess no one would do that. But like, what if the situation presents itself where I'm like, hello, you won. And they're like, I don't have PayPal. Because that's what I was thinking. Like, I wanted it to be like a money prize. So people would be like, oh yes, I'm getting monetary gain from doing this. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna have to make a plan for like how to do this. Well, you need to be 18 if you want to have like PayPal or something, right? Maybe it would be easier to just do like Nitro gift giveaway. No, not giveaway. Like the price is like you get Nitro. Because you are epic. Ask all of your adoring fans to get Swish and swish them money. This could be done. Oh god, it's doing nothing again. Go back. This could be done actually. I could just ask people to do that. It would be a great idea. A check to the parents. I would write a check. I guess you could do that. can you get your parents in the room to me? I need to talk to them. Your son, he just like won the competition, right? This is just, is this supposed to look like this? Because look here, hold on. Look at that pixel right there. There's like one pixel, it looks like an arrow. But whenever I paste it, it looks like this. Is that right, Pixpog? Like, is this supposed to look like that? Oh, I can't see YouTube comments. I'm sorry if I don't read them. Oh, is it not appearing in the stream chat thing? It's appearing for me, I don't know. If I win, I would not want Nitro. I don't want people to think that I might pay for Discord. Congratulations, Peak Autism Gamer 64. You have won the level competition for your masterfully crafted level. We need to I need to figure something out for the level competition, how it's gonna work. Because maybe it should be something else. Maybe monetary gain from a little competition is too you know, I could accidentally do something illegal with that. So maybe I don't want to do that. If it was just something digital, like if you just got like a NFT for winning, a Sticky Paws NFT, it would be better, right? That is monetary though, still. If you got like, I make them a hat in Sticky Paws that they can wear. Like you would just win cosmetics in the game. That could work as a prize. Steam gift card. That could work too. A day with your you win a day with Sticky. Your prize is exposure. It wouldn't be anything monetary then, and I could do it like... Oh, look at these symbols. Are you excited to see me draw this as my own font? Oh my god, there's so many fucking characters in this. But yeah, we need to come up with some ideas for this competition. Because it needs to be epic. A night with John. A day with Sticky Paws the movie is an unproduced, unlawful mockumentary. I know what that is. Usually a night with Johnny would cost you. This is true. But yeah, that's what I'm planning at least. I think it could work. Oh, okay, here's okay, I need other like ideas for marketing. So the thing is, like, I was gonna do like a competition thing so people can like make levels, But then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like stream the levels that are being created. So I can be like, hello guys, this is an epic level of this hit game Sticky. And then I'm gonna have like, you know the Twitch, like you can save clips and stuff, and then I'm gonna post that clip on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So whenever people are scrolling through like TikTok or Shorts, they're gonna see Sticky Paws, and it's gonna be like an amazing level, and I could just do that over and over again. So people could like, you know, people can just see the game and be like, wow, I can create my level and I can play others' levels. This is an amazing game. I'm gonna buy it. There's gonna be a link to the game. That is a good idea, I think. OnlyFans! It was great marketing for Markiplier. We could do an OnlyFans with Sticky Paws. Because, because I guess that works. But yeah, that's just some ideas I have. I might do fucking stupid tweets. I was using oh no, my ass is my ass is showing again. Why does this keep happening? Okay, I was doing something on freaking. Hold on, where was that posted now again? I wanted to show like the freaking I was using like OpenAI, ChatGPT, and I just asked it like, can you make marketing tweets for me about Sticky Paws? And it just said like some great lines. Hold on, I'm gonna find it again. I keep seeing Johnny's ass whenever me, his damn pants never stay up. I need to get some fucking okay, hold on, I'm searching. This is true. This is true. Stop. Hold on, where is the freaking, where are they? Oh, right here. Fuck. Hold on, I have Discord like right here. Make it bigger. This is the AI. Get ready to pounce into a whole new world with Sticky Paws. Our platform game has just gotten even better with a new level editor and sharing feature. Create, share, and play user-generated levels with fellow feline friends. With unique gameplay mechanics and adorable characters, Sticky Paws is sure to be a perfect addition to your gaming library. Hashtag gaming community. And here I ask you to make memes, because that's a great marketing tool. When you finally beat one level, that one level in Sticky Paws, but then your cat walks on your keyboard and deletes your save file. Gaming struggles. Playing hashtag Sticky Paws, be like, meow, meow, woo. Gamer life. When you realize Sticky Paws has a level editor, you can make your own levels. Oh my god. I just love the mind blown. Me, I'm just going to play one level of Sticky Paws before bed. Also me, 5 hours later. Oh, gaming addict. I love the mind blown one. So when you realize you can make your own levels in Sticky Paws, this is the same thing. Me after discovering the level. It is the same thing again. Mind blown by the by the creative possibilities in Sticky Paws. You just played the new update of Sticky Paws. My mind is officially blown. This level in Sticky Paws just blew my mind. If you ever see tweets like this, you know what I've been doing, okay? Like, you know what I'm trying to do. Oh my god. Hold on. You're still becoming beer griffin. Okay, it's bad enough for John to actual right. When the hits. Mouseset murdering Catelyn's wife. What do you mean? Mouseset is Catelyn's ex-wife. If you ever see any game ad with wording like that, no, it wasn't AI. Yeah, it's like, because I've been thinking, like, every time I tried to post something on freaking, oh god, where was I? What the hell is that character? Oh god. I need to find this character again. I think it was this one. Let me just do it again. Yeah, it's that one. Okay. Because I'm thinking like, okay, what the hell am I gonna write to this? I have no idea. And what the hell am I supposed to post? Like, I know that it's you're supposed to be like, oh, a little screenshot of the game. To me, it's boring, but like, it's supposed to catch anyone's attention that like hasn't seen the game yet, I guess. But I have absolutely no ideas like what to post. It feels weird, you know. But imagine you just like asking the AI to write stupid shit like that, and you just post that every day. I wonder what people would think it's cringe though. Like, I don't know if it's funny or I mean, I'm laughing whenever I see those. But I wonder if people would just see that and be like, you know, these are fucking stupid. Like, why would you follow that account? Stigma D footage with that bunny. Never heard that playing. Hello, Rishara. Oh yeah, did you go for a moment? Hello. Oh fuck. These characters look the same to me. I'm sorry. Like, this character and this character changes on each, but this side stays the same. I understand now. I think the difference is, you know, it's a joke. I guess so, because if someone saw that, like, no context, they would just think, like, what the hell? I just love how it's saying, like, when you realize there's a level creator. And he's just mind blown by that fact. Everyone needs to make food from time to time. Pixpug left because he needed to make some food. I wonder what's for dinner. I was gonna say, I wonder what he's making. But yeah, if I'm gonna do tweets, I guess I'm gonna have to think of things every time what to write. Honestly, the tweets we did for sticky quotes, I think they would hold up as like, you know, those fucking meme marketing, except they're a little bit weird sometimes. The absolute weirdest marketing account I've ever seen, though, I forgot where it was, but it was like a KFC, not the American one. I don't know if it was like KFC, like some other country, where they just posted the weirdest shit that made no sense. Like, it did not feel like it was that corporate memeing, you know? Also, I love the fucking Nord of the North Twitter account, because there was this this feeling of doubt that it wasn't. They put this doubt in you that it was like hacked or forgotten, because he kept tweeting out things like they forgot about the account, and like, I'm used to social media like manager and I still have the password. They were writing like that, and it just made me think, like, is this like real or not? I like that. But yeah, doing the Wendy's like meme Twitter is like, it's old now. I lost my job. Looks like I took an error to the knee. Time to paste the keyboards. This could work. This could work for a Twitter page, because okay, because I think like if we were to make like a freaking Twitter posting on Twitter, like, we should have no integrity. We should just post whatever we feel like. No one's, you know, used to get some attention on the game. Why the fuck? Algorithm points. If you post a tweet with an emoji, it actually gets more like algorithm. That's what I've seen. People love emojis. That is a real thing though. Like, if you post something without an emoji and then you post something with an emoji, you're gonna see like a difference. Not even cat ones or gaming ones. I just put whatever comes to mind. Put like the Love Hotel emoji. They have the Love Hotel emoji. What the hell are these numbers, by the way? Because they're freaking weird. They're not normal numbers. They're like... Let me just show you what I mean. Hold on. Here it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But these are the numbers I'm actually typing. So these are like different. These are like the Japanese numbers, I think. What do you think of... These are... They just look like normal numbers, but they're not, I promise. These are not normal. I think they're looking the exact same whenever I'm actually making the font. 8, 9. It doesn't have a 0 here. I don't know why. I guess we didn't need a 0. But if we do need a 0, I will just add it later. Okay, these are all the characters used in Sticky Paws in every language. So finally, I'm gonna make the rest of the freaking font. Let's go. This is what we've been waiting for. Full width Latin character. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I've noticed that Japanese Unicode or whatever have their own versions of regular characters sometimes. Oh, even for like letters and stuff? Why do they do that? Oh, I can't draw. Hold on. I need to get rid of the snapping. Wait, what the hell? I still can't... I forgot the opacity. It needs to be full. Why was it not full? So there's the streak, and here's the circle. Little circle. This is me making a font. Very pretty. Now I'm gonna make Japanese. And it's supposed to look a little fucked up sometimes. Because that's the art style, okay? So like if it looks like this, for example, like that's intentional. You see? This is intentional. Doesn't that look like a face? Doesn't that look amazing? Okay, I'm go back. This letter is cool. It's a dragon. Imagine if... Oh my god. Imagine if I made the font to be like characters. I used to have a little thing in my head. Hold on. I need to show you. Has anyone seen the Donkey Kong font? Not the logo, I mean like Donkey Kong Country Game Boy Color. Has anyone seen this? This is amazing. It's a font, but it's with Donkey Kong characters. So here we have Clump, King K. Rool, the jellyfish, the octopus. We have Diddy Kong behind the E, Rambi, Clam. I think this one is actually called Clamper. Funky Kong at the H, Slipper the snake at the eye. Fuck Kong. What is his name? Fucking dumbass Kong. What the hell is his name again? Like Ugly Kong or something. What the hell is that Kong named? Oh my god, my brain. Hold on. I need to look it up. I need to look it up. Games. Donkey Kong Country. Enemies. Manky Kong. His name is Manky Kong. He looks like this. This is Manky Kong. He is... he actually looks like an orangutan. The level he comes from is actually called Orangutan Gang, but he's still called like a Kong. It's British slang meaning dirty. So he's actually called like Dirty Kong. And here you have Manky Kong holding the letter J. So this is what we were looking at. Has anyone seen the Donkey Kong font? I love the Donkey Kong font. I think I should do this for... Look, they even have... They have B, Z, E, N, U. They have every letter you could ever want, you see. I should add this in Sticky Paws, but like sticky. And all the unique characters Sticky Paws universe have. This is an actual consideration I have now. The tiny invisible accents. I think they just didn't have time to make those. They just was whatever. It's the same fucking letter. Why is it in Swedish we need a letter just called like that sound? Whoops. I think the Japanese font is, maybe it's not gonna look that unique. It's just gonna have like, you know, the rounded thing. I think someone's in the house. How long have I been streaming for? Where the hell do I see that now again? Oh, up there. Oh my god, I've been streaming for almost 3 hours soon. I don't know if I'm gonna finish the font today, but at least we got this far. And it's a very beautiful font I'm making. You see? And okay, so here it needs to have 2 streak. Huge less than for some reason. Can it look like this? It should be able to. You see how it has like imperfections like this? This is intentional. Well, it's not intentional when I'm writing it, but like I'm just gonna leave it like that because it makes it more... The Japanese people, they're gonna look at the font and they're gonna see the small imperfections and they're probably gonna think it's funny. Like... Oh, he made a little imperfection on the line. That is so funny. That's what I'm imagining it's gonna be like. Doesn't this look cool? I think there's someone in the house. I can hear like voices. But yeah, that's it. This is what I've been up to. Making a font. I can't read this shit. Funniest thing I've ever seen. We do this to everyone though sometimes. Look at this loop. I'm guessing you're gonna draw it like this. You loop it. Isn't that awesome? You can see the indent here, so you notice like, oh, he fucking made that loop. Hello there, Dream Peace Studios. How are you? Are you doing great? We're making a font today. I was gonna say, like, even in some games they make their own font, right? And you're expected to read it, but it's like they want to stylize it so much that it's like, I'm making a medieval game, so I'm gonna have like medieval writing. Usually if you want to do that, you should always make it so you can have like, you can change the font to something more something people are familiar with. I did that for Sticky Boss too, so don't worry. There is like, you can select the normal font if you want to. And it would be funny. Super Mario 64 font. I'm going to college in 3 weeks. Oh, really? Congratulations. I don't know how to get into college. That is very awesome. I'm glad for you. What kind of college? Is it like a gamer college? There are gamer colleges, right? It's for game design. Yes, it's a gamer college. That's awesome. I might go to school more if I have to. I'm actually gonna have like some sort of it's not an interview. They just described it as like an online, what the hell did they say? Like virtual information meeting where they're gonna talk about the work something. It's just for some paperboy job. And eventually they're gonna have like interviews with people, I think. So I might get like a paperboy freaking job, because there's nothing else I could find. But I don't know. I whenever I've searched jobs and stuff, they always said like, no, I don't want you here. So that's why I might have to go to even more school, but I don't know. John Little Paperboy. In the future, I want to make a game like Zelda Wind Waker, especially with the cell shading. That game is like my brother's favorite Zelda game, like Wind Waker, because he just loves the sense of adventure that game has, and the art style. I was thinking of like, whenever I'm making Frog game, whenever I'm actually working on that, I wanted to have like a similar feeling, like it's gonna be an adventure, you know? Wind Waker is a great game. But yeah, I'm actually searching for jobs and stuff. because you know how the gamer works. They need money. But you know, like whenever he started working in the garage, he was making games. And he had like a part-time job at the side, and eventually he was starting to make some serious cash from his games, so he stopped working. It's gonna be a story like that, but with Janil, you know. That's the idea. So yes, I do need some sort of job, but no one wants me, so I might just go to school. Unless the paper... I mean, I'm gonna tell in the Discord server, like, if I actually do get a job, I'm gonna say, like, I'm gonna be Paperboy. I played Paperboy. On the interview, I could say, I played Paperboy on the NES. You know that game where you deliver papers on a bike? That is me, if you hire me. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. Actually, I'll just move it like that. Yo, what the heck? Process... How do I say your name? Process... Hello. How are you doing? Our son Jonathan, yes. He charges PMI to draw a picture of weird barefoot cat people. That's not a thing I would do, I promise you. I'm doing fine, I'm doing great. I looked at one video about Japanese characters, and they were like, you know, there is actually like meaning behind the thickness of the font.
Är det stream?
Ja.
Men herregud, det ska jag inte ställa. Det ska du inte ha med.
I don't know. Same. I do. That was my dad. Father Nil. I will hydrate. Thank you so much for redeeming the hydrating. Oh, you meant he should hydrate? I can tell him later to hydrate. I will do that. He asked if I want food, but I'm Dora. I just changed my name to be that for some reason. It's freaking Doru! I didn't realize. It was Doru. Hello, Doru. Doru. I don't know why this is the first question in my mind, but like, are you happy? Are you feeling happy today? I want to know. The whole gang is back. Yeah, imagine like streaming and people actually watching again. I'll see how much I'm actually gonna stream, because I don't know how to describe like streaming, like how I felt about it, but I was starting to feel like it's just stressful. Like streaming and having a Discord server and all that. Like I wanted to cut back on that stuff. The Discord server, there's like no one there. Just a couple people. And I actually feel okay with that now. Like I don't want that many people there. I only use it if I want to like talk about game design or gaming or something. That's really it. I guess. But my happiness definitely raised when I saw you here. There are 100 lurkers. I wish on Discord you could just see how many people there are, but actually let me just see that for a moment. Because maybe you can see it, but no, it only says like, you know, on the side it says like there are 32 online, and then you have to scroll down and this many offline. And then I have to count in my head. I don't want to do that. So I guess it says, okay, it says 31 online now and 48 offline. So you just do the math, and that's how many there are. And yes, most people just lurk. There are like, I know I've seen Doru talking, I've seen Pixpock, I've seen... I guess that's it. Hold on, let me just see like the latest messages. Okay, I see Rahim, Moonsoft William, Pixpock Ruben, Phoenix, me. And I know Doru types here too sometimes. But yeah, that's the people I see. So not many people. And honestly, I feel much better about that. I don't want there to be the total chaos it was before. What we actually need though is like a lot of Sticky Paws players. I was wondering if, because the server I have is definitely used for like texting with people like about anything. It's not very like, you know how Minecraft have their own Discord server, but it's like literally just for kids to talk about Minecraft. Because I was wondering if I should do that for Sticky, like as a separate server instead of having it all in one. But I've been thinking like, it's not even worth it. Whenever I look up like marketing and stuff, they say like, you should definitely have a Discord server. Because that is great. I've just been doing it like, like it doesn't feel like one of those like gaming community servers or anything like that, you know. You know, on Discord you have like you can if you have enough followers, you're supposed to be able to become like a community Discord server, whatever. And that's what you want to be if you have like a game or something like that. But we never had enough people in the server to even enable that. Like you had to have like 1,000 or so. And I feel like most people, they wouldn't want to join that server. It really is just like nerds talking about game design and stuff right now. I mean, it's always been like that, I feel. Bro. Yeah, you're reading the the letters. This is just me making the font. Yeah, Discord is kind of shit. Like, there's a lot of responsibility, and I just don't feel like I can actually do that. But I've seen everywhere, like, if you have like a little indie game, you should have a Discord server. The only thing I would think about is, like, if I were to make a new one just for the game, it would have to be like extremely closed down, so everyone else just hangs out in the other server. Like, it would be very restricted, you know. You can't just post about anything in there. To me, there would be no point. But to little Timmy, he could be there. You have been warned for off-topic posting. Yeah, it would be like that. But I don't know, it just feels like it's not something I would do. Not worth it. But I don't know, I've been thinking about, like, because I definitely need to do something for marketing Sticky Paws when it's gonna be releasing on Nintendo Switch, you know, so people actually know that it's a thing, and they can follow it and buy it. La la la, I'm making a J. God, this is like shit, but I'm gonna keep it like that. I have seriously thought about, like, if I should just start, like, making those, like, YouTube shorts and stuff with Sticky Paws. I've become like a consumer of shorts myself. Like, I've seen like people marketing their own game and stuff on it, which I was like amazed by. Hey Johnny, by the way, is the Japanese translation done? No. Let me show you something about the... Hold on. There's too many folders up, hold on. Sheets. I'm just gonna go to Google Sheets. I don't think I've not announced this at all, but let me show you what I've done. Whoa, what happened here? For some reason, this text is over here. I don't know why. Oh, is it this text, but it's like really long? I see now. No, it wasn't anything. Anyway, the red text is like I Google translated it because I needed to see like what it would look like on the screen. And I had to fix so it like would fit and stuff. But it is also Google Translate, so you know, I was thinking like in case it's just it actually did translate it right, you can just keep that. Because I don't know, I'm gonna release this game soon. I feel like we need to like finish this. But I did mark it as like, okay, this is Google Translate. It's in the red. And just double check if it's like if it looks okay, then make it like white. I have not done it for the other translations though. But I should like I need to see what it would look like on the screen, you know. That's what I've been doing. There could be a couple hundred characters more. There could. Hopefully there aren't too many. Because yeah, that is like, I think that's the one I sent you. The ones with the Google translated characters, so we would at least get them. But I did not have time to do it for the other ones. But in case there is like more characters, I just have to add them, I guess. Okay. But we'll see. We'll see. I still have at least that system where it says like, oh, this translation is only this much complete. Like within the game, just in case we don't have time for translating everything. I mean, it should say 100% on everything, you know? But I feel like the translations, they're not like 100% like priority right now. Because I don't want to put any pressure on anyone to translate for me. It's still a lot of text in the end of the day. Like, I didn't realize Sticky Paws needed that much text, but there is like a lot of menus for stuff. So, you know. Oh, did the playlist end? It did. I think I should. How many characters are there left? Oh god, there's a lot of them. I have been streaming for a while. I don't want to overdo it my first time streaming again. It does say 3 hours, 7 minutes. Like, just because I start streaming again, I shouldn't overdo it. Like, hopefully I should be able to stream the next day or the next day. The idea I have right now is that I should do streaming like Monday to, I guess Monday to Friday. But honestly, on Friday, there might be things I need to do. Monday to Thursday, maybe I don't know. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That would be 4 days I would be streaming, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But you know, it's not like it's set in stone or anything. What the hell is this? I just saw Pixbox send me this. It's just a picture of Mario on like small Mario. What the hell? Can you focus on the image? There you go. You sent me that. Anyways, yeah, I feel like if I'm gonna keep that up, I should keep myself from like streaming just 3 hours. Monday to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday to Thursday. That's the idea, but I'm not gonna keep any promises. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I'll see how much I'm gonna stream in the future, okay? Everyone take care of yourselves. Um buy sticky paws a lot. That is all. Thank you. Have a great day.